Hi guys, I hope that you're all doing well. In today's lesson we'll do more algebra. So I want to introduce something called a constant. A constant is a term that does not have a variable, okay? So if you have, let's say, 5x to the power 3 plus 8, what is the constant here? It's 8 because it doesn't have a variable. So your constant is 8. Let's try the second example. Let's say we have 4 plus 9x to the power 2 minus 8x. Which one is a constant? 4, because it doesn't have a variable. It'll always be 4. Let's do number 3. What if we had 12p plus 8 minus 2p? What is a constant here? Your constant will be, you have 12p plus 8. 8 is a constant because it doesn't have a variable. Okay, now what if we had, let's say, 3x to the power 2 minus 4x minus 7. What is your constant? You have 3x to the power 2 minus 4x minus 7. Negative 7 is your constant, okay? Negative 7. Now what if we had, let's say, y plus y to the power 2 plus 12, which is a constant. Your constant is 12. And what if we had 8a minus 3? What is the constant here? Negative 3. Now in algebra, what if they tell you to find the highest degree? Know that the highest degree is the largest exponent of the variable in the expression. For example, if you have, let's say, 3x to the power 2 minus 4x plus 7. You're looking for an exponent of a variable, okay? 3x to the power 2, we have x to the power 2. Minus 4x, we have x plus 7. Between x to the power 2 and x, which one is bigger? It's definitely 3 to the power x. It's definitely, x to the power 2. So your highest degree here is 2. You write down your exponent, okay? And if you had, let's say, 5x to the power 4 plus 2x to the power 2 minus 9, what will be your constant here? It's 4. What will be your highest degree? It's 4. Let's try the second example. Let's do 7y minus 3y to the power 6 plus 8. Your highest degree is the exponent that is the highest, okay? But it has to be from a variable. 7y, it's to the power 1 minus 3y to the power 6, okay? So your highest degree is 6. Let's try the third example. What if you had 9a to the power 3 plus 4a to the power 8 minus a? What is our highest degree? Your highest degree is a to the power 3, a to the power 8, and a to the power 1, basically. Your highest degree is a to the power 8. Your highest degree is 8, okay? Not a to the power 8. Let's do the fourth example. Let's try 2m to the power 5 minus 6m to the power 2 plus m to the power 9 plus 1. What is our highest degree? M to the power 5, m to the power 2, m to the power 9, and 1. 9 is our highest degree. 9. Let's try this example. 5x to the power 3 minus 2x plus 9. A, what is the coefficient of x to the power 3? Where do you have x to the power 3? There is x to the power 3. And what is the coefficient of that term? It's 5. So your answer is 5. What is the constant? Remember, the constant term does not have a variable. So We have 5x to the power 3 minus 2x plus 9. Our constant is 9. What is the highest degree of the expression? Remember, for the highest degree, you basically want to find the exponent, the highest exponent of a certain variable. Okay? We have 5x to the power 3. We also have minus 2x. Between x to the power 3 and x, which one has the highest exponent? It's x to the power 3. So your answer here is 3. How many terms does the expression have? 1, 2, 3. Remember, terms are separated by the plus or minus sign. There are 3 terms. What kind of polynomial is it? How many terms do we have? We have 3 terms, which means it's a trinomial. Remember, a monomial has 1 term, a binomial has 2 terms, and a trinomial has 3 terms. Now find the value if x is equal to negative 2. So for such a question, what you should do is substitute 2 whenever you see x. Let's solve this under. This will be, let's rewrite 5x to the power 3 minus 2x plus 9. 5x if x is equal to 2. So you substitute 2 to the power 3 minus 2x. Let's substitute 2 plus 9. When you punch this in your calculator, your answer will be 45. Number 2, we have negative 2y to the power 2 plus 7y minus 1. First question, what is the coefficient of y? Let's look for y. We have negative 2y to the power 2 plus 7y. There is y. The coefficient of y is 7. B, what is the constant? Let's look for a term without a variable. You have negative 2y to the power 2 plus 7y minus 1. Our constant is minus 1 as it doesn't have a variable. What is the highest degree of the expression? So we're basically looking for the highest exponent. Negative 2y to the power 2, you also have plus 7y minus 1. For y, you know that the exponent is 1 between 2 and 1. Which one is the highest? It's 2. So that is the answer. How many terms in the expression? You have negative 2y to the power 2 plus 7y minus 1. How many terms do you have here? You have 3 terms. What kind of polynomial is it? We have 3 terms. It is therefore a trinomial. F, find the value if y is equal to negative 1. So to answer this, we can write this here. Let's substitute. We have negative 4y to the power 2 plus 7y minus 1. Let's substitute negative 1 whenever we see y. Negative 4, we have y, so we write negative 1 to the power 2 plus 7y, we substitute negative 1 minus 1. So when you punch this in a calculator, your answer will be negative 12. So our answer here is negative 12. G, exponent of 7y. We have negative 2y to the power 2 plus 7y. The exponent here is 1. Now let's do the third example. Let's try 8m minus 15. Letter A, the coefficient of m. What is the coefficient of m? There's m. The coefficient is 8. B, find the constant. What is the constant here? Negative 15, as it doesn't have a variable. C, what is the highest degree of the expression? You have 8m minus 15. Remember, when finding the highest degree, you want to find the exponent of a variable. 8m to the power 1. So we only have m as our variable here. Therefore, the highest degree of the expression is 1. How many terms? 8m minus 15. So we have 1, 2. We have 2 terms. What kind of polynomial is it? Is it a monomial, binomial, or a trinomial? We have 2 terms, so it's a binomial. Find the value if m is equal to 15. To solve this, you have to substitute 15 whenever we see m. This will be 8m minus 15. Now let's substitute 8. What is m? We substitute 5 minus 15. When you punch this in your calculator, your answer will be, when you punch this, your answer will be 15, or when you simplify. Let's try the last example. 9p to the power 5 minus 2p to the power 3 plus 4p to the power 2 minus 7. A. Find the coefficient of p to the power 3. There is p to the power 3. The coefficient is negative 2. B. Find the highest exponent. We have 9p to the power 5. We also have p to the power 3, p to the power 2, and negative 7. What is the highest exponent? It's 5. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Is it a polynomial? Let's check. We have 9p to the power 5 minus 2p to the power 3 plus 4p to the power 2 minus 7. Yes, it is a polynomial. Find the value if p is equal to 1. So we basically substitute 1 whenever we see p. Let's rewrite this. We have 9p to the power 5 minus 2p to the power 3 plus 4p to the power 2 minus 7. Now let's substitute 1 whenever we see p. This will be 9. We have p1 to the power 5 minus 2p. So we substitute 1 to the power 3 plus 4p. So we substitute 1 to the power 2 minus 7. When you punch this in your calculator, your answer will be 4. And that is how you find your coefficient, exponents, terms, polynomials, and find the value of expressions in algebra. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe.